Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're showcasing the elegant BTaT white coffee mugs. A set of 6 12-ounce porcelain mugs that blend classic design with a touch of sophistication. Each mug is crafted from durable white porcelain, ensuring they withstand everyday use while maintaining their charm. The gold trim adds an extra layer of elegance, making these mugs perfect for any occasion, whether you're enjoying your morning coffee or an evening hot chocolate. Measuring 4 inches in height and 3.5 inches in diameter, with a width of 4.5 inches including the handle, these mugs are designed for comfort and style. Not only are they beautiful, but they're also practical, as they're dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. Imagine sipping your favorite hot beverage from these stunning mugs, adding a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe for more product highlights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.